The way that we make the world a better and safer place is through software.
You've got somebody out in the field that's collecting data on a paper checklist with a pencil, probably bringing it back, storing it in a 3-ring binder. Maybe you're giving it to somebody who's then aggregating it into an Excel spreadsheet.
If it's important enough to send them out to do that, that information should be utilized by the organization to help improve safety in the whole environment.
We got a call from a large hospital system, 8 hospitals in total and 38 clinics. They did not know what was going on in their environment, like most hospitals today don't. They think everything's fine, but then when you kind of look a little bit deeper, you see broken things. We were able to put together a scope and a business case and roll this out system-wide.
It instantly goes from data observation into actionable information.
We then provide visibility into that, and this is the really key point, and I think where we're really differentiated, through interactive dashboards. Those dashboards can exist on your desktop, on your laptop, again, on a tablet, an iPad, an Android device. And they allow you to answer very quickly and easily key questions about the status of your environment.